today I'm going to be showing you guys how to download some videos on browser, or how to download videos on YouTube in a browser version. So first things first, you need to go to your Chrome or your browser. Okay, so here we are. And for example, I want to download a what's that, TV or video effect. There must supposed to be a video effect. There it is, and as you can see, we can find some things. Let's go for the first one. Let's see how the content is. Okay, so it's loading. A few minutes later. TV effects. Okay, so I have low connection. So if you want that, all you need to do is to hold it, and once you hold it, press the copy link URL. There we go. Then once you do that, you're going to go into new tabs, go to Google, and once you go to Google, you can press this, both of those, and you can search for, I highly recommend you search YouTube MP3 Shark. Once you do that, you're gonna search it, and so it will be the first one that will show up, and press it, but first things first, you need to press MP4, not MP3, because that would make a total music. Okay, here, this is gonna be a double tutorial. So the MP3 means music, and the MP4 means video. For example, here. Oops. Now let's hold it, paste, hold it, paste, convert. So it's gonna be starting, checking video, and loading, of course. And then you're gonna press download. And once you press download, here it will show up coverage. Yeah, I downloaded it. Well, I'm gonna download it again for you guys. So yeah, and then you're gonna press the if you want to go to the music, you can press MP3. I don't care. So I don't highly recommend you guys press video effect. I highly recommend you guys use sound effect. There we go, sound effect. Oh wait, no, not video. Sound effect. No! Whoa, what do you mean soy effect? Sound effect? I mean sound effect. There it is. So you're gonna hold it, couple link URL, go over here, go to your tabs, like that, like just delete all of those stuff, and there it is, convert, and download it, and it will totally finish in no seconds. I mean, no minute. Yes, so it downloads so fast that you barely even see how fast it is. So yeah, that is how's it work. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Feel free to rate, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more of the videos. Goodbye.